everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to help you learn how to log into your Netspend Premiere account. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now let's get started. Start by tapping open your web browser and go to the search box and type in Netspend Premiere Login. From the search results, you can go ahead and click on the first link. Now, tap on the login button at the upper right corner from the home screen. Enter your login information on the next page. Start by your username in the first text field. Type in a valid username first and go to the next field and type in your password. Again, make sure to type in the correct password. If you'd like the system to remember you, check on this remember username box right here. In case you forget your username, you can tap on forgot your username link right below. Similarly, if you don't remember your password during login in, tap on the password link, follow the instructions and reset to a new password. Once you have the new password, type it in the password text box and tap on login. Soon after you do that, you'll be logged into Netspend Premiere account in no time. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.